Hey guys, I'm gonna make a video here that's probably gonna make me look kind of dumb, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I want to basically do a simple disassembly of 3 of my handguns, my Mark III, my Glock 27, and my 1911. So I'm just gonna do the disassembly and then I'm gonna do the reassembly. Now I haven't disassembled these in quite a while, so just bear with me and don't ride me too hard, but here we go. I'll start with the 1911. So let's push these here. Alright, it's clear. Works. So we know it works. So first thing we do, this little bushing holder there. We depress this and we turn it to the right, we let it go, and then we turn this to the left. So that's what I'm going to do right there. So push this, turning it to the right, letting this go. Make sure this doesn't shoot off somewhere and you lose it. Now I'm turning this to the left. Now what I usually do is just do this. I just push down on it and just lets it go. I'm sure there's a better way to do it, but I don't know. Next part is there's a little groove right here that needs to be in contact with this. Once I push the slide back so they meet, there's a little thing here I push. I don't know what it's called, but it's part of the same piece. So here, went too far back, so I need to align it. Well, it's not quite there yet. Now that it's aligned, I push. There we go. And then it just comes right out. Once you've done that, the slide comes right off. Take out the recoil spring. Barrel has this little piece right there. That's what this was going through right here. That part is going like this. That falls down, and you just pull the barrel right out. So that's a disassembly of the 1911. So let's put it back together. So, barrel in there. Recoil spring goes back in. Now when you put the slide back on the frame, this needs to be pushed up against this, because this piece will try to go do like that or do like that. So just keep it nice and firm. Let's see how that just slides there. Slides on. Oh. Mine's a little cheap 1911, so it doesn't perform 100%. Me trying to put it back together. Now the holes are lined up somewhat. Now just take it back to this is aligned, push it in. Now you're almost home. Slide this back on. Slide it all the way back to the right. Push this down. There you go. Function test it. Alright, 1911 done. Glock, doesn't matter which Glock it is, they're all identical. So let's take this off. If you have any kind of muzzle device, even a thread protector, you have to remove it or the barrel won't come out of the slide. Pull back like you're taking a drink. Pull down on the takedown tabs, or the slide lock tabs, I mean. Pull the trigger in safe direction, comes right off. Recoil spring, barrel. Put the barrel back in. Recoil spring. Oops, can't get this. There we go. Alright, let's put it back on. Last but not least. Alright, the best way I found to handle this little guy here is to have him in fire. Pull the trigger, and you're safe. Pull the trigger, then grab whatever tool you have. I use this little knife. Release this tab, and it comes loose. Now, if you don't do it like that, doesn't matter how strong you are, doesn't matter if you're the Incredible Hulk, you're not taking this little piece out. And you just pull it, and then, like butter, a little bolt carrier there. If you want to go a step further and clean all the internals, this is just, it's kind of, it's not screwed in there or anything, it's just kind of, I guess, with friction. So you just kind of, it's on that pretty hard, so I'm going to push on it. There you go. It's locked in, so it locks in here. So then you take it apart, you clean it, you want to put it back together. See right here? Stick that in there. And then just push. So I'm going to push. Take it off again just to make sure. Alright. Now, you just take the bolt carrier back in. Now, if you did it right, with some ease, you should be able to put this back in that hole. There you go. Alright. Now, there's a little piece right in here that needs to fit inside this groove. If it doesn't, then it won't work. So you press the trigger again. And see how it fell just like that? That's not good. So it's got to sit right into place, and then you'll feel it because it has a little resistance. Now, little function test, fire. Function test, fire. Function test. Put it on safe. Alright, and one more test. Alright, and laser came on. That's it, guys. Just take disassembly and reassembly of 3 handguns there. Hope y'all had fun.